Okay, so let's go.
All right.
Hi, Brad. Many thanks for supporting Keynotion's Smart Manufacturing World Summit San Francisco. It will be great if you could introduce yourself.
Yes. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening. Brett Knittle. I am a currently senior principal engineer, global advanced manufacturing engineering and additive manufacturing for Baxter Healthcare, based in Chicago, right outside of Chicago, in the Electromechanical Center of Excellence currently, and working on all things digital. And what do I mean by that? Just manufacturing technologies, how to speed from new product development to production process, as well as virtual validations and qualifications of processes. Got a background in automotive, Ford Motor Company, and 16 years with GE through 6 different divisions there.
Okay, so Brad, thank you. And you have over 30 years of experience in various engineering and supply chain leadership roles in the manufacturing industry. So beginning in soy processing, the GE manufacturing management program, automotive, pharma, appliances, oil and gas, and now Baxter Healthcare. It's a lot of different scopes of manufacturing. So
Yeah.
can you share how you have seen this industry evolving during your career, and would be great any insights as you look to 2023?
Yeah. No, what we had back in when I started as a engineering intern in the late 1980s, to today, the big thing that's changed is going from paper to digital, and people not wanting to record, manufacturers not wanting to record things on paper and have to manage those files, and they can lose access to those as well. So having that trace is huge. That has been a big change, going from a paper filing system, and managing those documents to where it's an electronic system now. And what that gets, and dovetailing into the outlook for 2023, is why we're here right now. What is smart manufacturing, and how can the Internet of Things help us to be more productive? Again, from what I said at the beginning, how can we get from NPD, from an idea, product idea, to product launch in our customers' hands much more quickly, whether that be US based production, supply chain, or a tentacle of supply chain throughout the world. COVID's taught us a lot about that, and it's to be more nimble and to be more regional, but also to be able to have the reach where you can do things remotely by not being present, but still being productive.
Okay, and in your current role with Baxter in Global Advanced Manufacturing Engineering, you're focused on additive manufacturing. So could you kind of go deeper on the subject and share how additive manufacturing works together with advanced manufacturing and Industry 4.0 technologies?
Very much so. Thank you, Ariana. The key there again is digital. These are digital files. You're already creating the CAD work.
Mhm.
The simulations a lot of times are done to make sure that the parts fit in the product in the development phase. But then as it goes into the manufacturing process, we now have the ability to take and look for opportunities to reduce the part count, reduce weight, do iterative design in additive manufacturing, where we can have opportunities to reduce part count, or maybe even get a lower cost, lower lead time, local based or on premises based manufacturing supply chain versus a low cost offshore supply that has a longer lead time. and the disruptions that we've seen over the past 2 to 3 years. I see, again, the Industry 4.0 technologies with additive manufacturing working with virtual reality to be able to assemble these parts together much easier, because we already have that digital thread, and working that all together, it's just another leg to be able to put things together much more simply, and also to customize our approach to our customers.
So if I may sum it all up,
Yeah.
going digital is the way to go.
I'm definitely seeing that. And again, COVID drove about 5 to 10 years worth of innovation in just 18 to 24 months. And people thought out of the box. A lot of managers thought out of the box. Industry leaders thought out of the box, and how can we do work successfully remotely, whether that be at our current jobs, conversing as we're conversing right now across the pond, but also just being able to be effective and be relevant with the talent that you have, and being able to utilize those skills is huge. Digital is definitely a big part of it. Still have to have that personalization, but digital is definitely a big part of being effective, I believe.
Okay, thank you. So one more question. Can you share one thing that you're looking forward to smart manufacturing world, and is there a key takeaway or specific knowledge that you hope to gain as an attendee as well?
Yes, no, I appreciate that. Looking forward to Smart Manufacturing World this fall, to be able to interact with the participants that are there, whether they be in a role, a speaking role, or in attendance. And the key takeaway that I get from that, again, that personalization and that interaction with folks, is the specific knowledge, exactly what your question says, Ariana. The key knowledge that I'm looking to take away is, how do we do this? How do we do this better? How do we do this faster? How can we not shortcut the implementation process to make it less effective, but how can we do it with greater speed and agility, and flex that to what our needs in our specific business?
Thank you very much, Brad, for your time. It's very
Thank you very much,
insightful.
Ariana. Thank you. I appreciate it.
So, ladies and gentlemen, do save the date 12th to the 14th of October in San Francisco, Grand Hyatt Regency Hotel. We look forward to meeting you, and do join us to find out more from Brad. So, see ya.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time, Ariana. God bless.